You've seen this all over TikTok, the tortilla egg wrap that flips like magic. But does it actually, or is it another internet illusion? Today I'm testing it so you don't have to. And trust me, it gets messy. First up, crack 2 eggs into a hot non-stick pan. No oil, no problem. Then swirl them around like you're painting a masterpiece, or trying not to ruin breakfast. Next move, slap that tortilla on top. That's right, straight onto the eggs. They say the steam will fuse them together. I say, let's pray. Spoiler alert, it's stuck, but not the way I expected. Now the flip. This is where the legends are made. I gave it the old Gordon Ramsay flip. And it actually looked good. Eggs were golden. Tortilla was crisp. But was it cooked? Alright, let's add fillings. Cheese, spinach, some leftover chicken. TikTok didn't say to add, so I went chef mode. Fold it like a quesadilla. And boom, breakfast burrito vibes. Okay, moment of truth. Yo, that's actually fire. Crispy outside, melty inside, eggs holding it all together. I wasn't expecting it to be this good. So, does the viral tortilla egg wrap hack work? Easy to make. 5-minute breakfast, 0 dishes if you eat it straight from the pan. No judgment. TikTok, you win this round.